Hello friends, in this video we will see how to apply for Living Certificate on ERP system. So we'll open the ERP portal, then we provide user ID and password and we log into the system. Okay, when we log into the ERP system, we go to the personal menu and click on the request for modules option. Request for modules, click here. Now the system is asking to fill all the bank details. So to fill the bank details, click on this OK button. And here in the student profile, we have to fill all these details related to our bank account. So in this way we have to fill all the fields on this form and then save. So records created successfully. Okay. And now again we go to the personal menu and we click on this option request for modules. Click on this button. Now select the reason. Why do you want module certificate? So it is the end of academic year. So we want to issue and Living Certificate. So we are going to select reason end of academic year and then click on this button make request. So request now has been sent successfully. If you want to cancel your request, you can click on this button cancel request. So now your request has been cancelled successfully. Again, if you want to make a new request, again we go to the personal menu, request for modules, and we can raise the request here. So once your request has been approved by all the authorities, then you can get your Living Certificate from this handover authority, that is Mr. Kailas Kunte sir from the student section. If you want to check the status of your application, we can simply log into the system and we go to the same menu, personal and request for modules. So here you can see the status of your application. Once it has been approved by all the authorities, then you can get your Living Certificate from the handover authority. But before that, once the request has been generated through the ERP system, student need to pay the TC fee. So to pay this TC fee, students are required to click on this fee detail. In the fee detail, go to the miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous, we need to check this option and pay the 100 rupees here online as a TC fees. The Living Certificate will be issued if and only if the TC fees has been paid by the student. Once you pay the fees and the request has been approved by all the authorities, then you can collect your Living Certificate from Mr. Kailas Kunte sir, which is a handover authority of Living Certificate. Thank you very much.